What's good, guys? It's your boy CS. So today is Friday, the 12th of July. I just want to do a quick Bitcoin health check just because we're getting a little bit of a pump here. So on the weekly, great. We've actually bounced off this spider line. Looking good on that chart. On the other weekly chart, this resistance and support trend line, which we've been bouncing off here, it dates back to November, October time in 2022. So as you can see, this is a mammoth trend line that we are bouncing off, and is actually very bullish for us to stay above this pink trend line. So on the weekly, we are still looking good. If I look at the EMA, we're still under the weekly EMA, which is not great. We do want to close above it, which would be around 61k. If we look at the daily, as you'll see here, and I think I've mentioned this the past couple of days, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rejections off the 200 EMA ribbon, and it looks like, and again, we won't know till the end of the day, that Bitcoin is now going to breach it because it's continuously retesting it. And again, there's only so many amounts of times before a trend will then take its direction. And I think personally, this is getting weaker and weaker. We may see a test of the 20 EMA, which is this red ribbon here. If I take the EMAs off and we look at the actual channel itself, look, we're still within this channel. We have some way to go. We've got some way to go. And we could bounce very, very quickly. But even if I'm predicting like us getting to the outer edge of this trend line, it'll take us till, August, September time, which would be sensible because this is just an accumulation range, right? And I think the thesis is still the same. Nothing has changed on the higher time frames. If we delve a bit more deeper into the lower time frame, starting with the 4-hourly, we are still within this zone, so the support and resistance zone, where these pink horizontal trend lines are at 57 and 58.3k. But if we look here of this historic descending channel that dates back to the 5th of June, we're completely within range here. So, I mean, it's great that we've now closed above this weekly resistance on the 4-hourly. We may get a retest again. And again, retests are bullish because what we want to see is this area get swallowed up now. And then we know we can make a move. But at the end of the day, we are still in this little channel until we break out, which I suspect will be around here. We obviously want it to come out and then retest either on the pink or the yellow trend line, and then do the, typical bye-bye, see you later pan up here type of thing. And that's where we are with Bitcoin. There's no real big changes. Other alts are getting a little pump today, which is great. But as far as Bitcoin is concerned, I'm not really engaging with this market just yet. As in, I've already bought round here. I don't really want to be buying anything more. And I do want to see how Bitcoin tests this 100 EMA. I think we're going to break through it because technically we've had 1, 2. Well, that's not 1, but you can say it's close. 2, and then we normally have another one, and I think we break free, and then we hit the 200 around 60.8. I think we're going to see 60.8 be the next resistance. As I've said, my bullish sentiment hasn't changed on the lower time frame or the higher time frame. I think we are going here, and then we see maybe another retest down, and then we come and retest that 200. We may even use the 20-year EMA as a support level. Who knows? We'll have to wait and see. Okay,